Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up in your dreams category in the watch. I don't know what it's called. But basically, there's the puzzler, writing, and music. This one's coming soon. But basically, for the dream goal, it says complete any 64 puzzle pieces. And I think I need to complete a lot to get to the end prize, possibly. It says this represents the progress accumulated on your journey to the ultimate dream. Maybe you'll get something here. It says puzzler, puzzle master, puzzle artist. So it will go up. There's also a writing one, which I haven't started because I am on the way to do that right now for the writing. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I'll update you in another video, hopefully, once I have completed puzzles and started writing on anything. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.